Nag-record natin, ha?
Nakikita ba tayo o uupo tayo? Ayan, upo. Mahirap po natin upo.
Test, mic, test, test. Test.
Gusto mo ng pataas ba?
Oh, so, tingnan natin yung mic. Sing, upo nga dyan. Tingnan natin kung tama. Ayan.
Hindi
Ayan.
Mahirap naman kumanta ng pagaling ko eh. High chair.
Ayan, okay. Kasi parang kayo tayo.
Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything.
Ulit natin. Dito siya, natin. Naluloko tayo.
Wala na.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
So, muna. Gusto mo yung parang sa pelikula yung pagkatingin ko.
Please don't let this feeling end.
Hindi, wala eh. Toys pala yun eh.
Wait ba?
Oh, toys ako.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Okay, nakalimutan ko.
Dapat pag ganyan ang
Toys. Hindi, alam na. Yeah. Yan na. So, what's that?
Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true. Since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes on shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in the storm you'll find some light. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Please don't let this feeling end. It might not come again, and I want to remember how it feels to touch you, how I feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes
Ang gagawin mo? Bakit gagawin mo?
Hindi, kailangan itaas yung paa kasi mamamaga.
Ah, ganun ba? Bigyan mo ng tensor. Hindi maganda yung ending.
Hindi, kaya nga ano, kapakinggan mo natin.
Dapat looking through the eyes.
Hindi, mabagal kasi tayo.
Dapat mabagal tayo masyado?
Mabagal masyado.
Through the eyes of the... Pwede natin pantayin niya sa karaoke namin gabi.
Doon sa ano?
May karaoke namin.
Makapariling kayo.
At ano ba yung tayo lang? O may mga
Hindi,
karaoke?
yung buong...
Ano yun, yung karaoke? Magre-register
Sino
kayo
yung karaoke? Ang mag-register?
Hindi, kantahin natin yung
Magkakaroon
ano.
ako.
Yung ano, yung Master Bublé, maganda yun.
Hanapin natin
Oo,
kung ano.
meron
na.
Meron?
Hmm.
Susunod.